What's the meaning of adversative? Adversative. 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 The term adversative is often used in linguistics to describe a type of conjunction or conjunction-like word that expresses opposition or contrast between two clauses or phrases. Adversatives signal a shift in meaning from the prior sentence, emphasizing disagreement, contradiction, or contrast between two ideas. They are frequently used to indicate a contrast in meaning or to present a counterpoint to a preceding statement. Adversative conjunctions include words such as but, yet, however, and although. Overall, adversatives serve to create a more complex and nuanced understanding of the relationships between different parts of a text.